This activity is called Numbers Bag, and it follows on from the previous activity in the bag, where the students have to use some of the skills that they practiced in that activity to help them with this activity. So this is going to help students with the practicing of the trusting the count. So you're going to take your paper bag or whatever bag that you're using, and you're going to give the students a number, and they're going to draw out that many counters or unifics from that bag. So in this case, I'm going to ask students to draw out 6 unifics. So they'll reach in, they will use their practicing their subitizing of quantities or counting out of quantities without actually observing them. They want to draw out 6. So they draw out what they think is 6 and they place them in front of them. So here I've only drawn out 5 unifics. So I need to ask myself, how many more do I need to get to 6? And you want the students to fix that situation by adding however many more they need to make their 6. So in this case, we need 1 more. So here I've got 6 unifics, and I'm going to get them to write their number next to their quantity. Here's where it differs from the previous activity in the bag, because what you're going to do in this case is you're going to ask students to write down the next 3 numbers in this sequence starting from 6. So if I started from 6, what would be the next 3 consecutive numbers that come after 6? And you would want them to write 7, 8, 9. So you want them to learn how to sequence their numbers in order from the number 6. You can also do the same thing, but ask them to write the numbers in reverse. So you want to know the 3 numbers that come before 6. So they might start with 6 and they might have to go 5, 4, 3. Now this is a little bit more challenging. Get them to practice by putting their commas in between so that they know that this is a number sequence and not the number 3456. This can be challenged in a lot of ways. So you can extend this by getting the students to use their skip counting. So you may start with 6 and you may say to them, I want you to count by 2s. So what are the next 3 numbers that come after 6 if we are counting by 2? So then they have to write a sequence of numbers that increase by 2. So hopefully they will know 8, 10, 12. So this is the next level up from the initial activity. Again, you can alter this activity in any way you want to make it more challenging or to make it less challenging.